I'm Tasya. I'm gonna share my daily life called New Things, Great Things. So, I lived in Manado before, but when my campus started, I went to Jakarta. As a college student, I usually go to campus every weekdays, but because we run our class hybrid, so on this semester, I only go to campus on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. On Monday, I have 3 classes that start at 8 a.m. So I have to get ready at 7 because I live a bit far from the university. The next day, I have 2 classes. The first class is on-site and the last one is online. So after the first class, I usually hang out with my friends, getting lunch together, and then go back home. The next day, same as the day before, I only have 2 classes. The first is on-site and the last one is online. But sometimes it depends on the lecture. When the lecturer wants the class to run online, we run the class online. When the lecturer wants the class on-site, so we run the class on-site. After that, I usually go to the National Library. Why? Because the National Library providing me with a very well facilities such as computer, internet, and books. And I love the environment because the vibes really supporting me to studying. After that, when I've got some free time, I usually hang out with my friends, like go to the museum or to any places that we can enjoy our free time after the hectic one. So yeah, I think that's all. When I don't have anything to do, I only stay at home, do my daily activities such as cleaning my room, washing dishes, do the laundry, or go to the market and cooking. I still go to campus, not only when I have class. Sometimes I go to campus when I have something to do, like seminar to attend or meetings or anything related with my organizations that I joined, like debate club and theater. So a little bit explanation why I put the title as New Things, Great Things is because I am totally new here and I'm facing like so many new things, and all the new things were really great for me because I never been to this place before. I don't know about this stuff, and then now I knew it all. I learned about it, like the facilities like from the capital is totally different with Manado, so that's pretty great. I know how to use the public transportation. Yeah, I usually use public transportation everywhere I go, and that's why it's really new for me. And the facilities from the government such as National Library that providing us with a very great facilities such as computer, books, internet. So that's really amazing. I hope we have the same thing in Manado because this is really helped me to motivated me to stay here longer, because yeah, it's a bit sad because I live far from home, far from my family, but these new things makes me want to learn more and more all the new things. And the train as well, that's pretty good. We don't have train in Manado and we have here. So when I go to a place that too far for me, so I use train. I go there by a train, and that's pretty fun, pretty great. I use KRL and MRT. So that's how I run my daily life. I have so many experience here for almost a year, and that was pretty great. That's all.